Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you if you can see a locked profile on Facebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening Facebook and signing into your account. Use the search feature or your friends list to locate the profile you want to view. If the profile is locked, you'll notice that only limited information is available. With a locked profile, you may be able to see basic public details, such as the person's name, profile picture, and any information they have chosen to make public. However, posts, photos, stories, and other private content are restricted and cannot be viewed unless you have permission. If you would like to see more of the person's profile, the appropriate option is to send them a friend request and wait for them to accept it. Once they approve your request, you'll be able to view any content they share with their friends, subject to their privacy settings. If you have questions about Facebook's privacy features or locked profiles, you can open the Help Center from the Help and Support section within the Facebook app. There, you'll find official information about profile locks, privacy settings, and account visibility. You can also use the Report a Problem option if you're experiencing an issue related to a profile or account feature. Facebook support can provide guidance on platform policies and technical issues, but they cannot grant access to content that a user has chosen to keep private. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.